Robert 21, 4-3. Wala. Bimbi. To Robert. 10 to shoot. Edgar, 3 points. Ay. Cup Adam, wala. Rebound by Pacifico Makabutas. To Edgar Makabutas. Bimbi, pasok. Foul counted. Bonus free throw, wala. Nice pass. Iki Durunggoy to Bimbi. Tumira. Yes, Porto. Benvenido Padolio, 2 points. Cup Adam, wearing number 14 na Basgad. Island Vlog. All alone. Yes, nice pick. Cup Adam Ranit, wearing number 18 na Basgad, dribbling the ball. Pass to Edgar Pilicano. Wala. Pass. Okay, back to the ball game. Diego. Back to Kaliwan. Pilicano. Edgar Pilicano nakikipaglaro sa bola. To Diego. Number 8 Basgad. Diego. Isolation. Tumira from the left corner. Wala. Rebound by Island Black. Foul by Diego. Last touch by Diego. Robert 21. To Ricky Bironggoy. To Edgar Makabutas. Tumira ng trace. Wala. Rebound by Robert. Island Black. Tumira. Wala. Edgar Makabutas all alone. Yes. Pareho 16. This Robert 21 Porto. 18 to 16. Lamaw na ang alog. Kaliwan to Pilicano. Tumira. Wala. Last touch by Pilicano. Substitution. Time out. Ano?
1 minute and 10 remaining time para Sigan Severo.
Adam Ranit. Diego. Tumakaliwan. Back to Diego. Tukap Adam Ranit. Tumira from the left corner. 3 points. Ranit 3 points. Ricky Makatumbas to Edgar Makatumbas. Buwabawi. Wala.
Ranit. Pass to Diego.
Ranit.
Diego dan siapa? Serangkaian. Second place.
Yes.
By Tigana, by Amy Sunobi, number 4 minutes seconds.
Run it. Kapaliwan. Side stepping move. Wala. Rebound by Ricky Makatumbas. To Robert 21. To Edgar Makabutas. Wala. Diego. To Paliwan. Pacifico Makabutas. Foul. First throw.
Yan, Moray.
Wala. Second throw. Wala pa din. Pero na-rebound niya. Pumasok. Wala pa din. Benvenido.
May laman ball.
5 seconds. Mera si Adam. Hindi umabot. Time for the second quarter. Alog versus Asgard. Valentine's Cup Season 2 sponsored by Honorable Joselito Izquierdo, Honorable Leo Gagante, and Honorable Konsehal Jaime Meralles. Shout out tayo mga sponsor.